Plank crunches, knee to elbow, in elbow plank. Position are a great core exercise targeting the abs, obliques, and shoulders. Here's how to do them properly on a mat. How to perform plank crunches, knee to elbow. Start position. 1. Get into an elbow plank position on a mat. Forearms on the mat, elbows directly under your shoulders. Legs extended straight behind you, toes tucked under. Body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and glutes to maintain stability. Movement. 2. Right side crunch. Bring your right knee toward your right elbow. Crunch your obliques, side abs, as you draw the knee in. Try to get as close as possible without twisting too much or raising your hips. Then return to plank. Straighten your right leg back to the starting plank position. Far left side crunch. Bring your left knee toward your left elbow with the same control and effort. Return to plank. Straighten your left leg back to plank. Repeat. Alternate sides for desired reps, e.g., 10 to 15 each side, or time, as I did 30 to 60 seconds. Tips for good form. Keep your hips level, move slowly and with control. Quality over speed. Please check my next video.